Shugor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala hani kasngi habai kran met kinong to khubor ulai thu ba kamlong shu ka balango ya kaseng na markiliyo jingtip ba kibami kidon jingedei bat ki MLA bat ki MDC na kata kadaw kilas dang penrung kerteng thamai na ka benta ki samla ka jing penrung thamai kan long ka benta ka bakraw na ka benta ki samla khamtam ya ki samla na ka thain Garo Hills bakin wan banrung banlong kum kinong elam ha kaseng shu ula ongro ba ka jingmi jong kinong elam kaseng kamlong ka jingdo ka bakraw ya kaseng ha kisnem ke bala depro ki don bun kinong elam ke bami hanrai kaseng congress kayeng rasong nakaliang president ka Mpcc ula ongro ba ki bami ki don da ki Spah hanrai ki ba wanrung sya kaseng ki don da ki Hajar Ngut.
No, we expected that this will happen. There's nothing surprise, and we were aware of the move made by them. Naturally, most of them they are related with MLAs, MDCs, and others. So we are aware of the situation. That's why we are going to infuse fresh bloods into the system. That's why we have already done the youth enrollment and other enrollment. So I think it will be an opportunity to the young mind, fresh minds from Garo Hills also to come into the system. When I discuss with many of the leaders from Garo Hills, it is an opportunity for them also to come. So I don't think that there will be a much setback to us. With example, the youth, when I first joined, when I called them, only 13, 14 of them. But when they resigned 3,000 of them. So we didn't have that so much youth with us. Same in the Congress there. So when I visited that area, I realized that we had leaders, but we don't have much workers in the grassroots level. But now we are going to expand the grassroots level. So we have enough time. I think it should not be much worried for us. When they leave the party, definitely they must have some excuse and they must have somebody to accuse. But the reason of accuse and the reason of excuse also they should explain. So simply saying that because of him or because of this man and that man, there must be also a reason. So everybody must have a reason to leave. When they have any reason against the party, definitely they will try to figure on someone else. So I don't have a problem if any be abused, accused. We are used to that system. The Congress will always be there. As I told you, this is not the first time that people left the party. And when P.A. Sangma left the party, they said Congress is fight up, but still Congress is there. And last time when Barton Song and others left the party, they said Congress is fight up, but we're still there. So this time actually we have taken advanced action where not a single block has made a resolution actually. So I think there's not, be it in Umroi, be it in Nongthamai, be in other constituencies in Garo Hills as well. Before they have taken a resolution, we already changed the people. So those who have gone, they are no more a Congress. Half of them, they already left much before we have taken advance. So out of 12 blocks which we have left the party, not a single block has taken a resolution to leave the party en masse along with the office bearers. So I think we have taken enough precaution, and like I told you, lots of approaches from the young minds, doctors, engineers, even some of the retired officials also who are about to retire. So they're ready to take voluntary pensions and contest from us, and we'll allow this to continue. I think for a few weeks, and then maybe by New Year, then we'll start also rejoining the party. So we have to allow certain systems to be stable. Unfortunately, because as you are aware, there's no denying the facts because I'm half here, half there. So I've given quite a few issues. I've raised quite a few questions there also. But unfortunately, because in Parliament it's through lottery. Like last year, I tried very hard to get the age schedule included in the system. I don't know I'll get it or not. And even the border issues also, I wrote to the speaker whether I'll be able to discuss it or not. I'm going back to Parliament on Monday. So I think in between, normally for the first 1 week, Parliament is always hangama is there. But now it's running smoothly. So from Monday onwards, when I go to Parliament, I think I'll be able to take it. And I was also discussing with our Spah MP. if he can take some of the issues in Rajya Sabha. So because here we may have a different parties, but in Delhi we have must focus for the common interest and the interest of the people of Meghalaya. So I think we are working together in Delhi. As I told you, when P.A. Sangma left the party, they said Congress is wiped up from Garo Hills, but it did not buy up. Lots of young blood and fresh bloods are also there. Out there, we still have Deborah, we still have Billy Kids, and we still have Brigadier with us. We still have so many other party with us. Omilu has joined us, but we will show this in a later stage. And we have already revived the party, and we have already appointed all the block presidents, district presidents. Only thing is now actually because of parliament session, I cannot go there. We'll have a ceremony of joining also in a big way in Garo Hills, and lots of young bloods who passed from IIT, passed from Delhi University, who approached me. They said it's an opportunity for the people, young blood from Garo Hills to join. So I feel that in Garo Hills we should do very good. It's not as per what other expected. Today only for them leaving the party. For example, when I first joined as a president, I called the youth congress. They came only 5-6 of them. When I asked where are the rest, they said most of them they are not active. And I asked how many members are there in the youth. They said we hardly have 100 or 120 youth who are active. But when they resign, they'll get 3,000, 4,000 resign. So today, the enrollment, we have got more than 10,000 of the youth have already enrolled. And another 20,000 who are already enrolled, but payment is some problem with the payment because everybody has to pay for it 5 rupees per enrollment. So I think maybe 100 left us, but around 30-40,000 has joined us. And I think there's every reasons that this development will be disqualified. I'm telling you very in a simple way to explain. Normally, as per the 10th schedule, it has to be merged party to party. This development is, they have got numbers to split the party. There's no denying the fact. But they should come up with the Congress, form a party, and that party will merge with other party. So in the 10th schedule, there's a question of merger, and it should be a merger of parties. So I think I've discussed also this with many of the lawyers in Delhi. They said that 100% these MLAs will be disqualified because the system which they have followed is not as per the 10th schedule. So let's see. We have given the speakers. That's why when we filed the petition, we filed 2 sets. First set is for 10 MLAs, and then we do a better research, improve. Now we have given 2 for Chillang Pale as well as for Bachals. So I think definitely I'm very confident that they'll be disqualified at any cost.